Geological activity in the Yellowstone National Park area has again drawn attention after scientists detected large-scale ground uplift in the northern part of the Yellowstone Caldera. This phenomenon, monitored by satellites and high-precision GPS networks, shows the ground rising several centimeters in recent months over an area the size of the city of Chicago. In the heart of the United States lies a seemingly serene landscape, vast grasslands, pine forests, and geysers spewing steam into the cool morning air. But deep beneath the beauty of Yellowstone National Park, the Earth is slowly shifting. Almost imperceptible to humans, but quite visible to the world's most sophisticated satellites and scientific instruments. In recent months, scientists have detected something that has refocused public attention on Yellowstone: a giant subsurface bulge the size of the city of Chicago that is slowly but steadily rising. This phenomenon has reignited old fears. Is the Yellowstone supervolcano preparing to erupt? Data collected by remote sensing satellites and high-precision GPS networks indicate that the northern part of the Yellowstone caldera is experiencing several centimeters of ground uplift. This figure may sound small, but when it occurs over an area the size of a major city, the movement becomes geologically significant. This process is known as uplift, a phenomenon often associated with underground activity in active volcanic systems. Scientists, however, are quick to emphasize one important point. This is not a sign of an imminent major eruption. According to experts from the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, this uplift is most likely caused by the movement of hot fluids, a mixture of superheated water and gas, and magma moving slowly deep within the Earth's crust. This process is more like a large balloon slowly expanding underground, pushing against the layers above it without bursting them. Yellowstone, in the view of geologists, is not a ticking bomb. It is a giant, complex, and dynamic volcanic system, breathing through cycles of rising and falling ground levels. In the past few decades alone, the region has experienced several episodes of uplift and subsidence, all of which ended without a single major eruption. History records that Yellowstone has exhibited this type of behavior many times. Even at certain times, the uplift occurs faster than currently detected and still doesn't lead to an eruption. Scientists believe this is part of the supervolcano's natural rhythm, not a sign of imminent doom. Furthermore, key indicators that typically precede an eruption, such as a surge in volcanic earthquakes, drastic changes in gas composition, or extreme temperature increases, show no alarming anomalies. To the public and the millions of tourists who visit Yellowstone each year, park officials reassure the public that the area remains safe. Behind the scenes, hundreds of sensors operate non-stop, 24 hours a day, recording the tiniest vibrations, changes in air chemistry, and even shifts in the ground as small as a few millimeters. If Yellowstone shows even the slightest sign of danger, modern monitoring systems will be the first to know. Fear of the Yellowstone supervolcano is nothing new. Visions of a catastrophic eruption capable of altering the global climate have long haunted the public imagination. But modern science offers a more reassuring message. Yellowstone is not a silent threat, but rather a natural system that is being studied, understood, and closely monitored. In conclusion, while a city-sized landmass may sound terrifying on the surface, to scientists, this phenomenon represents Yellowstone's natural breathing, a sign of geological life, not a harbinger of disaster. The supervolcano is still far from erupting, and until then, science will remain vigilant, ensuring that humans are not blind to the movements of the Earth beneath their feet. Yellowstone teaches us something important about the planet we inhabit, that not all movement is a threat, and not every change means destruction. Beneath the bulges, steam, and subtle, barely perceptible tremors, nature is at work, slow, complex, and delicately balanced.